In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Shopify free trial. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the official Shopify.com website. Please make sure you go to the real website. Then what you want to do is you want to start off by entering your email right over here. So Shopify has this really cool deal. So at the moment, you can go ahead and get a 3-day free trial for new users with no credit card in order to actually start. But afterwards, you will need to go ahead and obviously put a credit card, but you get $1 per month for 3 months, which in my opinion is a really good deal. Like, I'm really excited about this. So now is definitely the perfect opportunity to take advantage. So let's go ahead and start off by entering in our email right over here. All right, so then afterwards, it is now going to say start your free trial. And what you want to do from here is you want to enter in your first and last name and then create a password for your Shopify store. Make sure that this password is something that you're easily able to remember. So I'll be right back with you guys once I went ahead and press on this button that says create Shopify account after putting in my name and my password. All right, now you guys have the option to actually put in your card number if you want to already, just to make it easier in the future. So if you plan on getting the actual Shopify subscription afterwards, I recommend just putting in your number at once, but you guys actually have this option that says skip. So if you only want to use a 3-day trial without using the card, go ahead and press on skip just like so. All right, so now it's going to give you a little survey that you guys can go ahead and fill out. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on an online store right over here. All right, so there you go. It now says all set. And then from here, it is now going to go ahead and allow you to access your Shopify store. You can begin creating your store. You can manage your services and stuff like that. So that's honestly pretty cool if I do say so myself. And over here, you guys can browse all of these different themes over here, which is honestly pretty cool. And there's a lot of variety as well. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.